लिखें। द हैवक रीक्ड बाय flash floods in Chitral took another serious turn when the water supply system collapsed on Wednesday. Full stop. There was no drinking water on the day Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister visited the town to express sympathy with and support the people affected by the flood, which has destroyed infrastructures and paralyzed the entire area. Full stop. The crisis erupted after the Golan Goal water supply project, completed only a year ago at the cost of rupees 450 million by the Public Health Engineering Department, developed a technical fault. Full stop. But the department's secretary and superintending engineer, full stop, who have set up a camp in Chitral and surprisingly no knowledge about the breakdown of the water system. Full stop. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority under bracket PEMRA is yet to prepare a report on the damage caused to roads, drinking water supply schemes, irrigation channels and hydropower stations. Full stop. The PDMA official only said the report was being finalized. Full stop. The affected people have demanded opening of major roads and restoration of water supply system and irrigation channels on an emergency basis. Full stop. Addressing a press conference here on Wednesday, the Tehsil Council member from Karimabad expressed concern over the inordinate delay in restoration of roads and irrigation channels Koh Valley. Full stop. He said the farmers of the valley would suffer huge losses because potato crop would severely affected by the lack of irrigation water, adding that intake points of irrigation channels had been swept away. Full stop. He further said the valley was also known for beards and tomatoes grown on a commercial scale, and its apples and pears were supplied to the national market. Full stop. Prime Minister had an aerial view of a number of flood hit areas. Full stop. He addressed the affected people and announced a grant of rupees 1 billion for restoration of infrastructure. Full stop. It was his first visit to the district after assuming power 2 years ago. Full stop. He also announced a number of development projects, including completion of the Lowari Tunnel project by the end of this year, construction of Chakdara Chitral motorway at a cost of 27 billion and federalization of Chitral Gilgit Road. Full stop. He said that after the completion of the Lowari Tunnel project, Chitral Airport would be given the status of an international airport, while the area would be linked with China and Tajikistan. to make the district an economic hub, full stop. He said food packets would be dropped by C-130 in far-flung areas of the district and promised to look into the issue of writing of agricultural loans to provide relief to farmers, full stop. Earlier, Chief Minister said he would remain in Chitral till the restoration of the infrastructure, full stop. He said there was no dearth of financial resources for restoration of facilities in Chitral and adequate measures would be taken for timely completion of the work, full stop. The Prime Minister was accompanied by KP Governor and federal ministers, full stop.